Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're diving into the 2025 Peugeot Rifter. What's new, how does it perform, and is it the right fit for you? Let's find out. The 2025 Peugeot Rifter is making waves in the compact van market. So, what's new this year? Let's explore. First off, what can you expect? Peugeot has revamped its design with a bold front and updated the tech features, but how do these upgrades impact your experience? Inside, you'll find a user-friendly touchscreen and improved materials, but is the cabin spacious enough for families? Definitely, with the flexible seating and generous cargo space, the Rifter is perfect for all your adventures, but how does it handle on the road? Equipped with powerful engine options, the Rifter offers a smooth ride, whether in the city or off-road. But what about fuel efficiency? Great question. The Rifter boasts impressive fuel economy, making it a practical choice for long journeys. But how spacious is it for passengers and cargo? With a flexible seating layout and ample storage options, the Rifter is perfect for families and adventurers alike. But what about safety? The 2025 Rifter comes equipped with advanced safety features, including lane assist and emergency braking. But do these features really enhance your safety? Absolutely! With these technologies, you can drive with greater peace of mind. So, is the Rifter the right vehicle for you? The 2025 Peugeot Rifter combines style, efficiency and safety. So, is it the right vehicle for you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more updates on the latest vehicles. Catch you in the next video.